Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here. Today's video I'm going to add a new bar and chain to the lineup. I teach high school woodshop and do tree work on the weekends. And today's question is how well the Oregon Speedcut Nano, how clean it's going to cut and how fast is it going to cut. So I teach high school woodshop where I do a lot of milling of lumber and cutting lumber kind of in a carpentry sense for natural edge furniture. And I want to know how well this new Oregon Speedcut is going to work. Is it going to cut a lot cleaner? And then I also do tree work. And this climbing saw right here kind of replaced my Stihl 200T and also my Husky 338 XPT. So I want to know how much faster this is going to cut with the Nano on there. All right, let's get started. All right, trying out the new Oregon Speedcut Nano. And the Husky here, little battery operated saw. This thing has an E-clip on it because you have to change the sprocket out. So this comes the bar, the chain, and the sprocket. There's the old sprocket, has 6 teeth on it. And then there's a new one, pretty much the same, just 7 teeth on it. New sprocket on, tension washer. There's the E-clip back on. There's the bar, and then there's the chain. So it's 43 thousandths, 25, 59 links. Well, it looks nice. Nice graphics. Bar just snapping on, and then the new chain. Chain is nice and tight. All right, let's give it a go. All right, we got that new Speedcut Nano from Oregon on the Husqvarna T535I XP. You could see it there. Not only do I use this as my climbing saw instead of my Stihl 200T, but I also use it for carpentry. And I'm wondering if the smaller chain kerf and the safety chain itself is going to help with cleaner cuts in woodworking. So this piece of super soft redwood right there. Let's see how much blowout there is on that. You screw that way. Blowout on the bottom, it's super clean on the top. And surprisingly clean. Let's compare that to a skill saw. Actually, skill saw, I mean, it might be a pretty dull blade, but that skill saw's got a ton more blowout than that chainsaw. Well, that's cool. Let's go cut some firewood with this and see how it does with the firewood. Here's a down oak tree, super hard wood. Let's see how this goes. Sure seems to cut faster. I mean, I don't know if there's anything harder than dead dry oak. Look how dead and dry that is. I'll give it a thumbs up. All right, there it is, the Oregon Speed Nano.